Hi everyone! Thanks for stopping by. Marine here for Learn Fun. I'm so glad to be back with a monochromatic snow globe shaker card, super quick and easy to put together. So as always, I started with the coloring. I stamped my images using jet black ink and used the shades of grey to color everything. Monochromatic cards are pretty fun to make. I like to create that kind of card for Halloween, but also for Christmas, for some reason. It gives to the card kind of a vintage look, I think. Once the coloring was done, I moved on to the snow globe and I started by cutting 3 circles out of different cardstock using the biggest die from the large Stitch Circle Stackables die set. We have Fog on the left, Black Licorice in the middle and Pixie Dust on the right. I took the black circle and put it through my die cut machine along with the snowy backdrop to cut stars and falling snow out of it. Next, I knew that I only needed a small part of that black panel, so I placed the trees and Santa on it and marked the bottom of the trees using a pencil. I traced a line and then cut on that line. And to complete my night sky, I stuck my black panel on the pixie dust panel using liquid glue. And when it was perfectly attached, I trimmed off the pixie dust circle. Next, I placed the sky on the fog circle, traced a line on the fog circle right along the bottom edge of the sky panel, and I cut on that line. This fog element is the ground, but I wanted to make it less flat, so I used the brick stencil along with white ink to bring a little bit of texture to the ground. So I applied white ink all over the fog panel, and off screen I used my heat tool to dry it completely. Next I cut another circle out of white cardstock just to use as a base to stick my sky and ground elements. And next I finally attached all my cute black and white images using glue dots and liquid glue to keep everything as flat as possible. No foam squares this time. Next step was to create dimensions so that the sequins and beads could move easily inside the snow globe. So I cut 2 frames out of white foam using the biggest die from the Stitch Circle Frame die set, and I stuck those 2 foam frames using liquid glue on top of each other on my winter panel. Next I created the window. I cut a circle frame out of shimmery grey cardstock, as well as a circle out of clear acetate, and I stuck those 2 pieces together. To fill the globe, I picked a few things: clear sequins, white beads, silver beads, and white sequins. I put all those elements inside the circle, and I applied liquid glue on the foam frame to finally close my snow globe. I placed a heavy acrylic block on it and set it aside to dry, and I moved on to the bottom of the snow globe. I used the Magic Iris snow globe die set to cut the pieces, shimmery grey cardstock for the main element, pixie dust for the strips, and black licorice for the small banner, And on that banner, I silver hit embossed my sentiment, which is from offset saying Christmas. And to attach that banner, I didn't want to add just glue, I wanted something more pretty, so I used silver thread. I started by putting the thread in the holes on each side of the banner. I made sure the banner would stay in place using a little bit of liquid glue. And next, I attached the thread at the back of the element using glue dots. And again, to make sure that everything would stay in place, I added some strong tape on the glue dots. Next, I finally put the snow globe elements together. I also added more foam at the back of the snow globe base to have the same height everywhere. And finally, I attached my snow globe on a 5.5 by 4.25 inches card base. And on that card base, I stuck a pattern paper from the Really Rainbow paper pack. That paper was perfect for my monochromatic theme. And that's it, this is the final result, and it's time to shake the snow globe to get some Christmas magic. I hope you like this card, it's been a while since my last shaker, so it was super fun to make it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!